Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly, and I'm going to go ahead and get my wallet, my new PAC wallet. So I went to paccoin.net. Alright, so actually I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing all over again. Paccoin.net. And then I clicked on right here, PAC Cash Wallet. Alright, so we have a download button here. We also have the steps. How can I get the PAC Cash Wallet? Alright, so I am on Windows, so I'm clicking Windows Wallet. I'm going to download, I believe it was the Mirror one, but before I do that, I'm going to check one of the blogs that I remember seeing yesterday. So let me check that. Okay, so let me scroll down here, and yes, alright. Here it is right here. For Windows users, please use mega.nz mirror 1. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click on that. Do not send old PAC coins to this new wallet. That is very important. I'm glad they put that there. This wallet is built specifically for the new PAC Cash. Only sending old PAC coins to this wallet could and probably will result in loss of your transaction. So I agree to that. And let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. And it's 2:12, so let's see how long this takes. It says, I remember seeing somewhere it said like 30 minutes or something like that. I'm going to pull this aside, put it over here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so step 1 is done. We're going to wait for it to catch up to where I am. Let's see. Alright, unzip the file. Next step. Let's see, do we click here? There it is down there. I had to pull it up some. It's down here. Click here. Double click. And we're waiting. Okay, I see some action moving. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click here. So that we can unzip this file. Let's see. Okay, be patient with it. I know it's going to take a while. Not sure how long this video is going to end up being. I'll try to pause it when it takes. When I see it taking a long time, I'll probably pause it and then unpause it. Alright, now this came up, so next step. Welcome to the PAC Core installation. This little program will install PAC Core on your computer. Alright, let's go ahead. And next. When I see it just popped up right there, awesome. Click Finish to complete the installation. Okay. Now, we'll reduce that, and we'll reduce that, and run the install file and enjoy. Alright, let's see how easy this is. There's PAC Core right there. Use the default directory. Welcome to PAC Core. As this is the first time the program is launched, you can choose where PAC Core will store its data. I'm going to use the default, so I'm going to click OK. Allow. Alright. Okay, so while that's going up, okay, we got this part. We are at this part here. I'm going to read through some of this stuff here. It is designed to be user-friendly for transactions and masternode setup. The PAC Cache desktop wallet is natively built for all major operating systems. So far, it exists for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Our desktop wallet meets all the top security standards, and that is why we call it safe and secure. Awesome, awesome. Wallet works after 5 to 10 minutes. Wow, that would be awesome. First, download the wallet from one of the links below, unzip the file, run the paccore.exe installer, and you will be up and running in minutes. Well, all right, let's see. It's at 44% right now. And let's see what else we have. That's the Mac version, Linux version, and then we have our questions. Should I back up my wallet? How can I open the wallet console? Let's see where we are. We are at 59%. Okay. Let's see. For mining, can you mine PAC? That should be a good question. Let's go up a little bit. All right. Here's the URL for NiceHash and ASICs. Don't know what that all is, but that's okay. But if you have a GPU, you can still mine. Okay. Log in using your wallet address as username. An optional worker name can be appended to your address, separated by a dot character. Leave the password blank. Okay. Let's see now. There's something I'm looking for. Let's see. Why the wallet is taking so long to sync? Let's see where we are. 96%. Awesome. Let's see what happens. Done loading. Okay, let's see. Recent transactions may not yet be visible, and therefore your wallet's balance might be incorrect. This information will be correct once your wallet has finished synchronizing with the PAC Cache network as detailed below. Attempting to spend PAC Cache that are affected by not yet displayed transactions will not be accepted by the network. Okay, great. All right, so the wallet is up. It has to sync with the blockchain. So it's 3 weeks behind, so it's going to take a little while for it to, let me see how many, it has 402 blocks of transaction history, okay? So it's going to take a little while, not too long, I would imagine, for it to be done. It says estimated time here, 18 minutes, so yeah, it's not going to take that long for that to do that. So I will put the video on pause. And while we're waiting for the blockchain to be uploaded completely, I wanted to address this question here. How do I unlock my wallet? To unlock the new PAC Cache wallet, you will need to encrypt your wallet. Okay, so first thing you need to do. The same process as the old wallet above, and then click on settings and click on unlock wallet. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go to help, debug window, console tab, and at the very bottom, you're going to type in wallet passphrase, and then you're going to type in whatever your password is. So mine is Dr. Kelly's password. And then you're going to type in these 9s. And they have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 9s. Okay? So that's what you're going to need to do. And then I think I saw something over here as well. How can you encrypt the wallet? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just need to go to the settings menu, select encrypt wallet, and then provide a secure password. So if I remember correctly, I think you do the encrypted first, because that's how you develop the password that you're going to be using every time you get to this step. Okay, whenever the wallet gets locked or whenever the wallet gets out of sync with the blockchain, you're going to have to go through this process. At least that's what I had to do every time I was dealing with the old wallet over here. Whenever it hit an error message for whatever reason and the wallet stopped working, it shut down, I had to go through this whole process right here and then enter in this information and hit enter, and then the wallet unlocked every single time. But to do that first, I had to create my password. So that's what you have to do here. Let's see what we're looking at. We're looking at still 2 weeks behind and 6 minutes. So if you go up here, whenever it comes up, you'll see this right here, and that's where you're going to go for settings, and then down to encrypt wallet. Okay. Also over here, you can see that it's working. It's syncing with the blockchain. If you mouse over this, let's see if something pops up. Let's see. Units to show amounts in. Click to select another unit. Let's see if it'll give us information. We now have 1,248 blocks of transaction history they're catching up on. Okay. All right, so we're still waiting for this to go through. It's more than half done, which is great. So it is a lot faster. It is a lot faster than the other one. So as soon as that happens, I will come back on again, and we'll go ahead and continue with this step here. All right, we are at 97% progress. Let's see what happens after this. All right, so that's what happens. Synchronizing with network, 4 minutes behind. Okay. This was moving before as it was updating with the blockchain. So let's see. So the first thing we would need to do, I kind of in my mind I want to wait for this to finish, but I'm not sure if I have to wait. But if I did, the first thing I would need to do is go here and encrypt the wallet as we discussed before. Now I'm going to bring that up. I think it was this one here. Okay, yes. So the first thing you need to do is encrypt your wallet. So you're going to click on Settings, Encrypt Wallet, and then you're going to create your own password. So you do that first. Okay. So this says it's still having about 31% left. Okay, so we'll wait for that to finish up. I want everything to be done before I move forward. Okay. Okay, so anyway, so that, and then the next thing we're going to do is this next step right here after we finish the wallet encryption. So we're going to do this part first, and we'll do this one second. Okay. All right, so we now have everything looks like it's up to date. We have the check mark here. Originally, it was those arrows that were circling, so now it's checked. And it says synchronization finished and up to date. Awesome. So now, even though I've been pausing, unpausing, this has so far only taken about maybe 20 minutes from beginning to end so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and set up and encrypt my wallet and create my password. So I'll come right back after that. Okay, awesome. It lets me do it so that I can show you without having to pause it. So you go to Settings, Encrypt Wallet, and go ahead and start typing in. All right, click OK. If you encrypt your wallet and lose your password, you will lose all of your PAC. Are you sure you want to encrypt your wallet? Yes. However, me being the sure person that I am, I'm going to put cancel for just a second. And the reason why is because I want to make sure I type in everything absolutely correctly. Okay, so this is just for me, not for any, there's nothing wrong. It's just me being absolutely sure. Okay. Let's wait and see what happens now. And since this video is getting close to the end, I'm going to go ahead and pause it for now. Okay, so now this is what came up. It says PAC Core will close now to finish the encryption process. Remember that encrypting your wallet cannot fully protect your PAC cache from being stolen by malware infecting your computer. Any previous backups you have made of your wallet file should be replaced with the newly generated encrypted wallet file. For security reasons, please, previous backups of the unencrypted wallet file will become useless as soon as you start using the new encrypted wallet. All right. And that's it for our video.